What are the tools you need for doing effective jump rope? The first tool you need is a jump rope. Now, jump rope comes in various forms. You can have PVC jump rope, you can have light jump ropes. I have got two jump ropes here. One is a light jump rope, one is a little bit of heavy jump rope. So I do these heavy jump rope because I have been used to doing jump rope for a long time. So when you are starting as a beginner, start with a light jump rope. Now, one important thing about jump rope is that what should be the height of the jump rope. So based upon your height, you should be effectively able to jump. So from the ground, your jump rope should touch your armpits. That is a basic measurement criteria. So if you see, it is touching my armpits, the jump rope here. Similarly, the heavy jump rope I have is also, the end is also touching my armpit from the ground. You can buy a jump rope where you can adjust the length, but primarily this is a benchmark of the kind of jump rope and length you should have based upon your height. Tool number 2 for doing jump rope is on which surface you jump. Try not to jump on a concrete surface. That will put pressure on your knees. Try to jump on a wooden surface or on a rubber mat like I have here. Let me show you. This is a rubber mat which I use for doing jump rope. It should be thick enough, maybe 6 to 8 centimeters thick, and the surface on which you jump is of key importance. It should be plain, it can be wooden, or it can be a rubber mat. So when you choose a surface, try not to choose concrete surface. Say a wooden surface, a mat of rubber, even grass. You can even have plain grass, but try not to jump on a concrete surface. Number 3 is the gear you wear. You should have comfortable gear. The gear which in a way inspires you to do exercise, which inspires you to do jump rope. You can have tights like this, you can have shorts, but have a comfortable gear. For me, I use tights, I use shorts, anything, but your gear has to be comfortable. Jump rope is a demanding exercise. Always keep water with you. You need to keep hydrating yourself when you are doing jump rope. So let's get back to the basics of what tool you need to do jump rope. You need an effective jump rope. The length should be up to your armpit. When you are a beginner, start with a light jump rope. Then you need a surface on which you need to jump. That can be a wooden surface or a surface of a rubber mat. And you need water and a good gear. Also, where can you jump? You can jump anywhere. That is the advantage of doing jump rope. You can jump in a nice environment like I am, in nature environment. You can jump into your room, you can jump into your backyard, but keep these basic principles with you. Have a good surface of wood or of a rubber mat. You have a good jump rope. water, and a gear. And I would like to also add on one thing on gear is have comfortable shoes to jump. So your shoes, you can have sneakers which have got good cushion. So also have comfortable shoes. That's it. These are the tools you need to do effective jump rope.